In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage the unsubscribed list in Lemlist. So first head over to campaigns in the left panel and start opening up a campaign. And here inside campaign statistics, navigate to the negative signal stats. And here you'll see unsubscribed list. So all you have to do is click on this to get an overview of all the contacts who opted out of your list. So basically, here you can search for specific contacts, review who unsubscribed, and see when it happened. And if needed, you can manually add contacts to this list to make sure they never receive emails from your campaigns. But be careful when removing contacts, so only do this if you have clear permission to recontact them. So to do that, just click on a specific contact, then next is click on this three dot icon at the top right of this window and click on unsubscribe. So here you will be prompted to choose the variables you want to unsubscribe this contact from. So just tick the box beside it and press confirm. Now, by keeping this list updated, helps protect your sender reputation and ensures you stay compliant with email regulations. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!